तुम कुछ कहना चाहते हो? You want to say something? You want to say something? तुम्हारी आंखें सब बता रही हैं. Your eyes say everything. Your eyes say everything. शब्दों की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Words are not needed. Words are not needed. मैं समझ गया हूँ. I understand. I understand. खुद को रोकने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to hold yourself back. Don't try to hold yourself back. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. मैं यही हूँ. I am right here. I am right here. अकेले नहीं हो तुम. You are not alone. You are not alone. बात को घुमा मत. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. साफ जवाब दो. Give a clear answer. Give a clear answer. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. अगर नहीं तो साफ मना कर दो. If not, just say no clearly. If not, just say no clearly. मुझे इंतज़ार नहीं करना. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to be afraid. There is no need to be afraid. मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can do it. I can do it. हार मानना विकल्प नहीं है. Giving up is not an option. Giving up is not an option. आज नहीं तो कल. If not today, then tomorrow. If not today, then tomorrow. मैं बेहतर बन रहा हूँ. I am getting better. I am getting better. तुम बदल गए हो. You have changed. You have changed. मैं पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. I am not the same anymore. I am not the same anymore. सबको खुश रहना आसान नहीं है. It's not easy to keep everyone happy. It's not easy to keep everyone happy. कुछ बातें दिल में ही अच्छी लगती हैं. Some things are better left unsaid. Some things are better left unsaid. मैं समझ रहा हूँ लेकिन चुप हूँ. I understand, but I am silent. I understand, but I am silent. हर जवाब देना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Not every answer need to be given. Not every answer need to be given. अब फ़र्क पड़ता है. Now it matters. Now it matters. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बस समय दो. I am trying, just give me time. I am trying, just give me time. मैं ज़्यादा सोच लेता हूँ. I overthink a lot. I overthink a lot. कभी कभी दूर ही सही होता है. Sometimes distance is the right choice. Sometimes distance is the right choice. मैं खुद को साबित करूँगा. I will prove myself. I will prove myself. सब्र रखो, वक्त बदलता है. Be patient. Time changes. Be patient. Time changes. मैं अब पहले जैसा भरोसा नहीं करता. I don't trust like before. I don't trust like before. मुझे हल्के में मत लो. Don't take me lightly. Don't take me lightly. I am learning from this. मैं इससे सीख रही हूँ. I am learning from this. Everyone feels awkward sometimes. कभी कभी सभी को अजीब लगता है. Everyone feels awkward sometimes. I will handle it better next time. अगली बार मैं इससे बेहतर संभाल लूँगी. I will handle it better next time. It's not a big deal. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal. These things happen. ऐसी बातें हो जाती है. These things happen. I will stay confident. मैं आत्मविश्वास बनाए रखूँगी. I will stay confident. I am okay now. अब मैं ठीक हूँ. I am okay now. Let's move forward. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward. This is a bit awkward. यह थोड़ा अजीब है. This is a bit awkward. I feel awkward right now. मुझे भी थोड़ा असहज लग रहा है. I feel awkward right now. I didn't know what to say. मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या कहूँ. I didn't know what to say. This feels uncomfortable. यह असहज लग रहा है. This feels uncomfortable. I wasn't expecting this. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. I wasn't expecting this. I feel a little shy. मुझे थोड़ी झिझक हो रही है. I feel a little shy. This moment is awkward. यह पल अजीब है. This moment is awkward. I am feeling a bit nervous. मुझे थोड़ी घबराहट हो रही है. I am feeling a bit nervous. It's part of life. यह जिंदगी का हिस्सा है. It's part of life. I won't overthink it. मैं इसे ज़्यादा नहीं सोचूंगी. I won't overthink it. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं अभी निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. रुक जाओ ज़रा. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I will be late. I will be late. फ़ोन मत काटो. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. अभी कॉल नहीं कर सकता. I can't call right now. I can't call right now. बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. समझ आ गया? Got it. Got it. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. I am trying. I am trying. यह सही नहीं है. This isn't right. This isn't right. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए. I don't need this. I don't need this. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. आज मौसम अच्छा है. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Take a little rest. Take a little rest. ध्यान रखो. Take care. Take care. मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. मैं भूल गया. I forgot. I forgot. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मुझे भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. ओके लेट्स सी. ओके लेट्स सी. मैं अभी थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. आई एम अ बिट बिजी राइट नाउ. आई एम अ बिट बिजी राइट नाउ. अभी मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand it properly yet. I didn't understand it properly yet. थोड़ा वेट करो, मैं बता देता हूँ. Wait a bit, I will tell you. Wait a bit, I will tell you. मुझे लगता है इसमें टाइम लगेगा. I think this will take some time. I think this will take some time. अभी मेरा मन नहीं है. I don't feel like it right now. I don't feel like it right now. चलो पहले चाय पी लेते हैं. Let's have a tea first. Let's have a tea first. मैंने कोशिश की पर नहीं हो पाया. I tried but it did not work. I tried but it did not work. अभी इस बारे में मत सोचो. Don't think about this right now. Don't think about this right now. मुझे ये तरीका ठीक लग रहा है. This way feels okay to me. This way feels okay to me. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Take some rest. Take some rest. मुझे थोड़ी देर अकेला रहने दो. Let me be alone for a while. Let me be alone for a while. अभी जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to rush right now. There is no need to rush right now. मुझे लगा तुम आ जाओगे. I thought you would come. I thought you would come. चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. अभी सब क्लियर नहीं है. Everything isn't clear yet. Everything isn't clear yet. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention. यह बात बाद में करेंगे. We will talk about this later. We will talk about this later. मुझे खुद भी सरप्राइज हुआ. I was surprised. I was surprised. थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. We will manage somehow. We will manage somehow. अभी यही बेस्ट है. This is the best for now. This is the best for now. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I can't remember. I can't remember. चलो इसे सिंपल रखते हैं. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. मुझे इस पर भरोसा है. I trust this. I trust this. अभी मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ. I am not free right now. I am not free right now. थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा. It will take some time. It will take some time. मैं समझ रहा हूँ तुम्हारी बात. I understand what you are saying. I understand what you are saying. चलो अब निकलते हैं. Let's head out now. Let's head out now. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. May I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? May I come in? Please wait for a moment. कृपया एक पल रुकिए. Please wait for a moment. Could you help me with this? क्या आप इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Could you help me with this? I really appreciate your help. मैं आपकी मदद की सच में सराहना करती हूँ. I really appreciate your help. Let me know if you need anything. अगर कुछ चाहिए तो बताएं. Let me know if you need anything. I will get back to you soon. मैं आपको जल्दी जवाब दूंगी. I will get back to you soon. Take your time. आराम से समय लीजिए. Take your time. I agree with you. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. No problem at all. कोई समस्या नहीं है. No problem at all. Stop talking. बात करना बंद करो. Stop talking. Please lower your voice. कृपया अपनी आवाज़ धीमी रखिए. Please lower your voice. You are late again. तुम फिर से देर से आए हो. You are late again. Try to be on time next time. अगली बार समय पर आने की कोशिश करो. Try to be on time next time. Don't disturb me. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb me. I am busy right now. Let's talk later. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. बाद में बात करते हैं. I am busy right now. Let's talk later. That's enough now. अब बस बहुत हो गया. That's enough now. I am not comfortable with this. मैं इससे सहज महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am not comfortable with this. Let's calm down and talk. चलिए शांत होकर बात करते हैं. Let's calm down and talk. I will try my best. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगी. I will try my best. That's not a big deal. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. That's not a big deal. I am used to it now. अब मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है. I am used to it now. I can't manage this alone. मैं यह अकेले संभाल नहीं सकती. I can't manage this alone. Everything will be fine. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. It depends on the situation. यह स्थिति पर निर्भर करता है. It depends on situation. What do you mean? आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? I don't feel well today. आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I don't feel well today. I am getting late. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I have a headache. मुझे सिर दर्द है. I have a headache. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. तुम बिल्कुल सही हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am feeling scared. I am feeling scared. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. क्या तुम थोड़ी देर मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me for a while? Can you help me for a while? मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying my best. I am trying my best. मेरे पास पर्याप्त समय नहीं है. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. I will think about it. कुछ खाने के लिए ऑर्डर करते हैं. Let's order something to eat. Let's order something to eat. आज मुझे थकान लग रही है। I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. कृपया 1 मिनट इंतज़ार करो। Please wait for a minute. Please wait for a minute. समय बहुत तेज़ी से निकल रहा है। Time is passing so fast. Time is passing so fast. चिंता मत करो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. मैं किसी तरह संभाल लूँगा। I will manage it somehow. I will manage it somehow. मुझे थोड़ी ताज़ी हवा चाहिए। I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. समय बहुत तेज़ी से निकल रहा है। Time is passing so fast. Time is passing so fast. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this. यह जगह भीड़ भाड़ वाली लग रही है। This place looks crowded. This place looks crowded. इस बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं। Let's talk about this later. Let's talk about this later. अभी मेरा मूड नहीं है। I am not in the mood right now. I am not in the mood right now. मैं अपना फ़ोन घर पर भूल गया। I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. तुम्हारा काम ख़त्म हो गया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? मैं तुम्हें शाम को फ़ोन करूँगा। I will call you in the evening. I will call you in the evening. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है। It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. तुम किस बारे में सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? मुझे देर हो रही है। चलो अब निकलते हैं। I am getting late. Let's leave now. I am getting late. Let's leave now. इस बात पर बहस ना करें। Let's not argue over this. Let's not argue over this. अब मुझे आराम महसूस हो रहा है। I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. Say good morning. सुप्रभात बोलो। Say good morning. Don't touch dirty things. गंदी चीज़ें मत छुओ। Don't touch dirty things. Go to the washroom. वॉशरूम जाओ। Go to the washroom. Wash your legs. अपने पैर धो लो। Wash your legs. Bring your water bottle. अपनी पानी की बोतल लाओ। Bring your water bottle. Don't shout at me. मुझ पर मत चिल्लाओ। Don't shout at me. Calm down. शांत हो जाओ। Calm down. Let's take a picture. चलो तस्वीर लेते हैं। Let's take a picture. You are my good child. तुम मेरे अच्छे बच्चे हो। You are my good child. Come, I will hug you. आओ मैं तुम्हें गले लगाती हूँ। Come, I will hug you. Sit straight. सीधा बैठो। Sit straight. Let me tie your hair. मैं तुम्हारे बाल बांध दूँ। Let me tie your hair. Don't talk back. जवाब मत दो। Don't talk back. Put your phone down. अपना फ़ोन नीचे रखो। Put your phone down. Come for dinner. खाने के लिए आओ. Come for dinner. Don't go outside alone. अकेले बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go outside alone. Tell me what happened. मुझे बताओ क्या हुआ. Tell me what happened. Don't jump in puddles. पानी के गड्ढों में मत कूदो. Don't jump in puddles. Pick it up. इसे उठाओ. Pick it up. Don't argue with elders. बड़ों से बहस मत करो. Don't argue with elders. Did you wash your face? क्या तुमने मुंह धोया? Did you wash your face? Come, I will comb your hair. आओ, मैं तुम्हारे बाल बनाती हूँ. Come, I will comb your hair. Don't climb the table. मेज पर मत चढ़ो. Don't climb the table. Don't make noise. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Keep your shoes outside. अपने जूते बाहर रखो. Keep your shoes outside. You are getting late. तुम्हें देर हो रही है. You are getting late. Eat one more bite. एक कोर और खा लो. Eat one more bite. Bring your notebook. अपनी नोटबुक लाओ. Bring your notebook. Sit beside me. मेरे पास बैठो. Sit beside me. Don't talk loudly. ज़ोर से बात मत करो. Don't talk loudly. Let's clean together. चलो साथ में साफ करते हैं. Let's clean together. Don't wipe your hands on cloth. हाथ कपड़ों पर मत पोंछो. Don't wipe your hands on cloths. Look at the board. बोर्ड पर देखो. Look at the board. Walk straight. सीधा चलो. Walk straight. Don't touch the switch. स्विच मत छुओ. Don't touch the switch. Move aside. थोड़ा हट जाओ. Move aside. Don't throw your bag. अपना बैग मत फेंको. Don't throw your bag. Put it in the dustbin. इसे डस्टबिन में डालो. Put it in the dustbin. Don't be afraid. मत डरो. Don't be afraid. Let me explain. मुझे समझाने दो. Let me explain. Control your anger. अपने गुस्से पर काबू रखो. Control your anger. Stop overthinking everything. हर बात पर ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Stop overthinking everything. Learn from your experience. अपने अनुभव से सीखो. Learn from your experience. Don't make things complicated. चीज़ों को मुश्किल मत बनाओ. Don't make things complicated. Everything will be fine. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. No more excuses. Okay? अब कोई बहाना नहीं. ठीक है? No more excuses. Don't repeat this mistake again. यह गलती दोबारा मत करना. Don't repeat this mistake again. Be honest with yourself. खुद के साथ ईमानदार बनो. Be honest with yourself. Accept your mistake gracefully. अपनी गलती अच्छे से स्वीकार करो. Accept your mistake gracefully. Stay calm and relaxed. शांत और रिलैक्स रहो. Stay calm and relaxed. Let's wrap it up now. अब इसे ख़त्म करते हैं. Let's wrap it up now. Make a move. We are getting late. जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है. Make a move. We are getting late. You should move with the times. तुम्हें समय के साथ चलना चाहिए. You should move with the times. Don't worry, I have got your back. चिंता मत करो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. Don't worry, I have got your back. Don't be stubborn about small things. छोटी बातों पर जिद मत करो. Don't be stubborn about small things. You should set an example for others. तुम्हें दूसरों के लिए उदाहरण बनना चाहिए. You should set an example for others. We better hurry up then. फिर हमें जल्दी करनी चाहिए. We better hurry up then. I am really not well today. आज मेरी तबीयत सच में ठीक नहीं है. I am really not well today. No excuses. Please do it now. कोई बहाना नहीं, अभी करो. No excuses. Please do it now. Are you feeling sleepy already? क्या तुम्हें अभी से नींद आ रही है? Are you feeling sleepy already? I am always here for you. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always here for you. Stop wasting time and act now. समय बर्बाद मत करो और कभी काम करो. Stop wasting time and act now. Don't argue unnecessarily. बेवजह बहस मत करो. Don't argue unnecessarily. Take responsibility for your actions. अपने काम की जिम्मेदारी लो. Take responsibility for your actions. Let's finish this quickly. चलो इसे जल्दी ख़त्म करते हैं. Let's finish this quickly. Please cooperate with me. Please मेरे साथ दो. Please cooperate with me. I will handle this situation. मैं स्थिति को संभाल लूँगी. I will handle this situation. Think before you speak. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. You need to change your attitude. तुम्हें अपना रवैया बदलने की ज़रूरत है. You need to change your attitude. Don't delay things again. चीज़ों को फिर से मत टालो. Don't delay things again. Let's not argue over this. इस पर बहस नहीं करते हैं. Let's not argue over this. Let's call it a day. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Let's call it a day. It's not a big deal. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal. Take it easy. आराम से लो. शांत रहो. Take it easy. Focus on what matters. ज़रूरी बातों पर ध्यान दो. Focus on what matters. We don't have much time. हमारे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है. We don't have much time. Stop making excuses. बहाने बनाना बंद करो. Stop making excuses. You need to be practical. तुम्हें व्यावहारिक होना पड़ेगा. You need to be practical. Do it without hesitation. बिना हिचक किए ऐसे करो. Do it without hesitation. Be serious for once. एक बार तो गंभीर बनो. Be serious for once. Think about the consequences. नतीजों के बारे में सोचो. Think about the consequences. This is your responsibility. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. This is your responsibility. Don't waste your energy. अपनी ऊर्जा बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your energy. Focus on what matters. ज़रूरी बातों पर ध्यान दो. I believe in you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I believe in you. You can handle this. तुम इसे संभाल सकते हो. You can handle this. I am proud of you. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. Don't lose hope. उम्मीद मत छोड़ो. Don't lose hope. Keep moving forward. आगे बढ़ते रहो. Keep moving forward. I am here if you need me. ज़रूरत हो तो मैं यहीं हूँ. I am here if you need me. You are doing your best. तुम अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हो. You are doing your best. Stay positive. सकारात्मक बने रहो. Stay positive. Don't compare yourself to others. खुद की तुलना दूसरों से मत करो. Don't compare yourself to others. Trust the process. प्रक्रिया पर भरोसा रखो. Trust the process.